Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to create dynamic serial numbers. Let's say I have a table, whether it's big or small, doesn't really matter. I have to pop up serial numbers right next to the dataset. I could just traditionally just go ahead and start typing. But one drawback with this is that if I remove a value, I have to just keep on playing with this all day long, and it's not very productive, right? Undo, and let's just get rid of these serial number. So alternatively, best way would be I use sequence formula, and I'm going to use control count A, and select my range where the data set's going to be, close it off and enter. There you have it, easy peasy. And if I add more values in my table, Nazya, or even testing, so the range is updated dynamically. And if I get rid of any data set, let's say for instance I get rid of any value, then I don't have to keep on adjusting my serial number. It gets adjusted automatically. All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Leave in the comments down below if you would like me to go over anything else. And until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.